While also preserving a historical building, a new attraction could soon be coming to downtown Wichita Falls. Jaron Spohr was at the 4B board meeting today. And Jaron, what was decided?
Well, the board decided to not make a motion. That motion and possible approval could have helped fund repairs to the sidewalk and landscaping of the old Filgo building in hopes of enhancing the look of the area. But now the developer will need to find another way to fund the project. The Filgo building, located at 10th and Indiana in Wichita Falls, was built in 1929 by G.W. Filgo.
It started out as a hardware store. So it was one of the first hardware stores built in downtown Wichita Falls, and it was a good space. It's about 24,000 square feet.
The first floor of the building is currently Picker's Universe, selling antiques and collectibles. But new additions will be coming to the building.
Plan is to expand it and include a restaurant on the second floor level. Also to create a bar on the midway level.
In all, the project is estimated at $2.5 million. But there's still funding they need to complete some minor projects. That's why Sid Lydekin Senior Design draftsman Sabian Santasteven and developer Andy Lee went before the 4B board requesting $385,000.
We've got some big oak trees that are in the sidewalk, and oak trees need lots of water, and putting them underneath asphalt and putting them underneath sidewalks doesn't provide what they need. So trees are pretty resilient, and they come through where they need to, and they've buckled up some sidewalks and everything.
But the board decided to deny the funding, forcing Lee to figure out another way to fund these improvements. Now Lee and Santasteven are hoping to have the whole project completed by April or May of next year.
That's an exciting project. Another great reason to get excited about what's happening downtown for sure. Okay, Jaron, thank you very much for that report.